What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, I'm on my way to Walmart. Before we get into it, because y'all know I'll start telling y'all X, Y, and Z. Before we get into it, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. But I'm trying to debate on what I want to do, because I do need to get a couple of things from Walmart, like to complete my dinner for the night, and a couple of other little random things or whatever. But I also, and then I also want to make this sandwich that I saw on TikTok, y'all. I have not eaten a thing. I have not drank a thing. So I'm literally dying of hunger, like right before y'all's eyes. But I don't know if I want to hit like my little stores, you know, like Rainbow. Because I haven't been in Rainbow in a good minute. Walmart, I already got to go to Ross and Burlington, which are like down the street. So I don't know if I want to pick some up and then hit my stores and then make the sandwich tomorrow, because I'm pretty sure by the time I rip and run or whatever and get back home, it'll be time for me to like put my dinner on. So it won't be no point in me making the sandwich today. So I don't know which one I want to do more, because I really don't know what I want to eat that's out. But I think if I pick some up, then run to my stores, and then go to Walmart last and come home, it will make more sense. Because I hate to like go to Walmart, come home, make the sandwich, and then go back out and do all of that, if that make any sense. But then again, I could do that. I don't know, y'all. I might go to Walmart because it is really early. It's 9:40. Could go to Walmart, come home, make the sandwich, eat, and then go out. But at the same time, baby gets off around 2. And I know shopping is going to take a little second. So I don't know which one I want to do, y'all, because I really don't know what I want to eat that's out. And I really want to make this sandwich that I saw on TikTok. But we're going to figure it out, and I'll see y'all in a minute. We are back from Walmart. I'm going to give y'all a little mini haul. And I think I'm going to go shopping this weekend, and I'll make a little vlog of that. So right now, I'm going to give y'all this little haul, make my sandwich, honey, and put this chair together that I just got. As y'all can tell, I did get a computer chair because I needed a new one. Baby put the old one on the curb, and y'all, I was leaving literally in the car, and the guy was like, "Can I have this chair?" And I was like, "Yeah." But anyway, so I got a new computer chair, and I'm gonna put that together on this vlog as well. And then I got a couple of things that we need around the house, of course, you know. So I got the croissants, y'all, that I need to make this sandwich that I saw on TikTok. I'm gonna put a picture of the sandwich up so y'all can see the sandwich I'm talking about. I got some brioche buns, a little small pack. Me and baby are having turkey burgers one day this week. I think tomorrow. Let me do the food stuff real quick. So I got some barbecue sauce, because y'all, today I'm making some barbecue chicken, cabbage, and macaroni and cheese. So we needed some barbecue sauce. These are the turkey burgers that me and babe like to get. I don't really never, I know like when I make spaghetti and stuff like that, I always get like the regular kind that you pat out. But when we eat turkey burgers, we get these. That's so random, but we do, because you can literally throw these on a baking sheet and let them cook in the oven. So we got those. I got some Gouda cheese for my macaroni. I got some Velveeta blocks. I'm also going to put that in the macaroni. And then I'm going to do a basic like shredded cheese on top. So like a little 3 cheese macaroni, nothing too extreme. I got turkey bacon this time just because I had a taste for some turkey bacon. I love regular bacon and turkey bacon, y'all. And on this sandwich, the girl had regular bacon, but I'm going to do turkey bacon just because I wanted some. And then this time I went to the deli and got oven roasted turkey and Black Forest ham. Okay. I got a couple of other things. I had to get some candy liners. They could be TMI, but it is what it is, honey. And then I got some Jamaican mango and lime oil. Oh, well, this is Jamaican mango and lime, the brand. The oil is, I guess it's moringa seed oil, jojoba oil, manuka honey, and sunflower oil. Just something to have because I like to grease my scalp. Y'all know I just took the quick weave down. So I'm going to shampoo my hair real good, oil my scalp, and I'm going to wear hats all this week. And then y'all picked this up because I thought this was a good deal. Y'all, this was $3.68 for the glue remover and a glue. So I thought that was pretty good because if you get this at the hair store, it'll be more than $3 and something for both. I got this little wall mount for our TV in our bedroom. Y'all, we have a small TV in our bedroom. Y'all, this little wall hanger was $9, so I thought that was pretty good. And it says from 19 to 42 inches. Our TV in our bedroom is a 32 inch, so it's a little basic TV. And then I got this little kit because me and baby are going to try to hang the TVs ourselves. We called Best Buy, and y'all think they said $750 to hang up 3 TVs. That would never happen. Yeah. So then we called my brother, and y'all don't know, but my brother works in and out of like state all the time or whatever like that. So he said he would help baby do it whenever he get a free, like weekend or whatever. But I'm going to go ahead and try to help baby with the 2 smaller TVs. And if it's easy to do, I'll help him with the one in the living room. And then we got this for baby's TV that he just got for his man cave. I got a more sturdy one for that one because it's kind of big. It's not really heavy, but it's a little bit big, so I just want to be safe. But y'all, that's all I picked up in Walmart right now. So what I'm finna do is make me some food, and then y'all will see me again when I'm putting the chair together.